Nation. Hostile takeover today.
Raider
Hostile
Nation.
takeover.
Oh, Raider Nation, baby, for life. And I'm a real Raider fan.
Fast double up, then explain for you niggas. Banged on the whole game, I ain't give a fuck. Moments that we share. Special times.
Are you kicking this and that? ¿Alguno pedo? Nada. Oh, you want? Tony, what's poppin'?
Y nos vamos con un saludo para todos los
Mesa que más aplauda, mesa que más aplauda, mesa que más aplauda, le manda la niña, mesa que más aplauda, sí, mesa que más aplauda.
Ay, vamos por soy medicinal.
Touchdown, baby! All day.
All day, baby.
It's great to see the fans, the Raider fans. Really appreciate them coming out. We've had a tough stretch here the last few weeks, and we needed all the help we could get. And it was cool seeing them out there, and looking forward to getting in the parking lot and saying hello to them.
Oh, yeah, it was. Everyone kept saying last week was our last home game.
was like, y'all know we go to L.A. like next week, right? Every time we come here, it's a home game. And so we didn't use the silent count. They did. We didn't practice the silent count all week. We just every time we head down here, our fans are just awesome.